I believe that wellness and vitality are achievable for all of us. I believe that when we learn from our own body's innate wisdom, total health is the natural consequence. I believe that the more we know, the more powerful we are. The more tools and practices we have, the more empowered we will become. That power unlocks what we have always known about our bodies, ourselves, and our own health, but have come to unlearn through the often overwhelming and contradictory world around us. My goal with Grow is to curate a space where you can come and learn how to look after yourselves on all levels, as deep as you are ready to go. Learning not only how to cook and develop your skills, but to reignite the joy in cooking, the joy of growing your own food, reconnecting with the nature inside of you and outside of you, forever becoming your own teacher. So, let's get back to the kitchen, the garden, the places of healing, connection, and joy, to the never-ending source of energy that creates and provides for us. Let's open up to new possibilities through our own capabilities. Let's reclaim our health. Let's play, let's eat, and let's grow.